this is Chris back again with another video. I'm glad I didn't do it. I was about to sell the Phantom 4 Standard, and I was thinking about getting the Mavic Air with the money that I would have earned by selling it, but then maybe it was just bad luck or whatever, but I got another fraudulent buyer on eBay. And experience taught me to not trust people full-heartedly, and I'm glad I just didn't go with the flow, because I've tried to sell things on eBay and I've gotten screwed once when I tried to sell an HP laptop, and those people are out there. But I'm glad I didn't sell the Phantom 4 because it's still a great drone. There's still a ton of accessories that I can 3D print for it or buy to enhance the experience. I'm going to update and charge all the batteries now, and because I haven't flown it in a little bit. So anyway, I'll be posting it shortly.
A few moments later.
As always, I am plagued with updates that I have to do. So I charged one battery, and after downloading the update, now I have to recharge the remote. So anyway, we'll get there.
Okay, so let's go into the app, the DJI 4 app or whatever, and you will see that we have the latest and greatest software. Excuse me. I still need to calibrate the compass, but that's just because we are inside right now. So we have the latest firmware. And what I really like about the DJI Phantom 4 is that if we go into the video size here and we go to 1920 by 1080p, I can do 120 frames per second for slow-mo. So that's really cool, and that's a feature of the Mavic Air that rivals the Mavic Pro. It has that. And this, the Phantom 4 and the DJI Mavic Pro, they both record at 60 bits per second, and the Mavic Air is at 100 megabits per second. So that's where it has it on these two drones. But both of these drones can add accessories to themselves. Like one guy made a way to fish with his drone, and I don't think you can do that with the Mavic Air. Flotation devices, I can do that with the Mavic Pro and with the DJI Phantom 4. So there's a lot of things that this drone can do that the Mavic Air can't. you.